Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I'm here to talk to you about sole proprietorship insurance, what it is, and how Elite Business Insurance can help save you money in every aspect of insurance that you could possibly imagine. Now, your business, being a sole proprietor, is usually your number one priority. It's your moneymaker. It's your breadwinner. You need to make sure that your business is protected correctly. At Elite Business Insurance, we can do that for you. We have access to hundreds of markets in the state of Florida where we're established, and we have access to thousands of markets throughout the United States where we take your information depending on what your insurance needs are, and we shop you around and we find you the most competitive price out there while offering you the best coverages that we possibly can. And we give you many different options. We don't just give you one option, we give you quotes through different companies. All the companies that we quote you out through are all AM Best A-rated carriers. They're all the financially strongest insurance carriers out there, and we make sure that we shop you around every year upon renewal to always make sure that you're getting the most competitive rate. Now, as a sole proprietor, usually the way we categorize insurance policies, it would be your name and then doing business as whatever your business name is. And that's how the insurance policy is going to be written. Now, sole proprietors, they usually have minimal payroll amounts. So being the owner of a company, regarding general liability insurance, being the owner of a sole proprietor, you will be set at a minimal payroll for the owner. So if you make more money, if you make less money, it doesn't matter. You're set at a specific number. Now, if you have employees, that's all going to be rated off of how much you pay them on an annual basis. The more employees you have, the more payroll you have, the more work you're doing, the higher the insurance risk, which in turn means the higher the price. If you're doing less work, then the price will be less and you'll have decreased risk. So that's how the insurance policies work for basic standard general liability insurance. They're either rated off of payroll or annual sales, depending on what kind of business that you have. If you have like an office exposure business, it could also be rated off of square footage. So there's many different options. So if you give us a call, we could place you through all of them. We could quote you out through all the carriers that we have access to. We make sure you're getting the best bang for the buck. We also offer 24/7 customer service. So we're here for you regardless of any insurance matter that you have. Now, when it comes to workers' comp insurance, it's a little different. They're, once again, being the owner of a sole proprietor, you're set at a minimal payroll, meaning that if you make more or less, if you pay yourself more or less, you're still going to be charged the same amount by being the owner of a sole proprietorship. So workers' comp is all state regulated price depending on what state you're established and what state you're performing work in. And the way that is calculated is they take the payroll, they multiply it by whatever risk code that your business has. So if you're a plumber, you're going to have a specific code. If you're a carpenter, you're going to have a different code. If you're a restaurant, you're going to have a different code. If you're an auto repair shop, another code. If you're a trucker, a different code. So they take whatever the code is and they multiply it by the payroll. They divide it by 100, and that gives you your price. It's always a state regulated price. The price is the price, but we make sure that we give you the best service out there and we provide you coverages through a financially strong company such as an A-rated insurance carrier. So being a sole proprietorship, there's many different lines of insurance depending on what kind of business you have. We could do the commercial auto, general liability, workers' comp, bonds, equipment policies, commercial property, inventory, you name it, we write it. Anything you need, let us handle your insurance. We could be your one-stop insurance shop. We also do personal lines, so we do homeowners, auto, boat, motorcycle. Let us handle all of your insurance needs. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are Elite.